Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, annuities used to get quite a bit of scrutiny, but lately they do seem to be increasing in popularity. So let's talk about that, Calvin. What has changed?
Sure. Well, an annuity by definition is a tax-deferred retirement savings account through a life insurance company. And there are many different types, some that I consider appropriate for retirement and some that I don't prefer to choose to use. They come in fixed or variable. And so what's changed over time is that the insurance companies have really looked at what people are wanting in retirement: safety of principal, guaranteed income, maybe features that will double the amount of income for home care or long-term care without qualifying medically. So there's been a lot of changes in this industry, and new product updates, especially in a higher interest rate environment, can be really attractive for people and may play a role in their portfolio.
Just one of those tools that we want to be mindful of as it relates to income, and you have some great resources to help us learn about some of those income tools and other options.
That's right. That's why we've created the Retirement Roadmap book and the kit that comes along with it to help explain to your viewers what are the different types of annuities out there, how do they work, and what are the features and benefits they provide so they can determine if it's appropriate for them.
It's a really good point when you say there are so many different types, there are so many different options. Great resources to help us learn a little bit more.
That's right. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, incorporating some of these tools may make sense for you.
So to learn why planning for lifetime income is key, you can call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Calvin, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.